Today I'm sharing this Wave Pro Sonic electric toothbrush, and right from the unboxing it feels like such a premium upgrade. Everything is beautifully packaged, very sleek and modern, and it comes with the toothbrush, two brush heads, and the wireless charging base. My first impression was honestly how elegant and compact it looks. It takes up less space on my bathroom counter than my previous toothbrush, and aesthetically it just looks so much prettier. Once I started using it, I was surprised by how refined it feels. It uses this wave motion technology with wide oscillations and sonic vibrations, and it gives such a thorough clean, but it in a really gentle way. I was skeptical at first because I've used electric toothbrushes for years and thought they were all pretty similar, but this really does feel like an upgrade. One thing I noticed right away is how much quieter it is than my previous brush. The vibration feels softer and less loud in my head, if that makes sense, but it still cleans incredibly well. It feels powerful without being aggressive, and my teeth feel really smooth and polished after brushing. I also love that it has different cleaning modes and intensity levels, so you can customize it depending on whether you want a gentle daily clean or a deeper clean. There's also a smart pressure sensor, which I think is such a great feature because it alerts you if you're brushing too hard, which helps protect your gums. Another feature I've really enjoyed is the app. I wasn't sure how much I'd use it, but it's actually very helpful. It lets you track your brushing, adjust settings, and personalize your routine. It makes the whole experience feel a little smarter and more intentional, almost like bringing some dental tech into your home routine. The battery life is also impressive. Up to 70 days on a charge is amazing, especially for travel. And I like the wireless charging base. It keeps everything simple and uncluttered. What I also appreciate is the brush head design. It feels gentle but reaches into those little areas between teeth really well. My mouth just feels really clean afterward. I've been genuinely impressed by how much I enjoy using this. It feels quieter, sleeker, gentler, and more effective than my old brush. And that's not something I expected to say. It really does feel like a thoughtful upgrade to my daily routine. If you're looking for an electric toothbrush that combines performance, smart features, and beautiful design, this has been a really pleasant surprise. And thank you to the brand for sending me this Wave Pro toothbrush. I've truly been enjoying it.